Okay, we're recording. Would you like to say what you're about to do?
I'm about to give in to peer pressure.
It's okay.
Can't believe you're making me eat these things.
They're delicious.
He's going to try a silkworm larvae.
One thing that throws me out totally since I've been here.
All about protein.
Protein.
Tastes better than it looks. Huh? Yeah.
The only bad thing about it is when you bite it and it squishes.
And it squirms a little.
Wasn't that bad?
Wasn't that bad. But the thing is now is the taste,
It's still there.
the aftertaste is like the smell.
Yes.
And the smell is disgusting.
Chase it down with some rice
Kimchi.
or kimchi. How was it?
Not listening to you anymore.